Hi everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a September monthly plan with me in my Erin Condren planner, and I have a new foiled monthly sticker shop to share with you guys. So, I mean, it's not a new shop, but she's only been doing foiled monthlies for a couple months now, and I'm really excited that she has them. I really loved some of the other ones, but I already had my monthly kits ordered, so I purposely waited until she released her September one to pick it up, and this is from Sweet Bella XOXO. Link will be down below, but I have bought from her for a very long time, and her foil is super gorgeous. This is rose gold, and it says September. There's like a sprinkle with some leaves. These are the top bars, and then you have a Labor Day boxes and a washi strip. You also get the foiled numbers on a matching pink paper. Then you get this little sheet that has bill due and payday scripts, finance goals, birthday appointment, important, and next month. And then you get the like sidebar checkbox kind of thing. I think this is all one sticker. So that is awesome. And then I also ordered, I didn't realize this foiled sheet with the scripts came with it, so I ordered this one. These were just in black and white, but you have more bill due and payday. They're little. Oh no, I guess maybe they're not smaller. Thought they were smaller. You get more bill due, payday, and then bill due, payday, finance goals, birthday appointment, important next month. So like essentially you get 2 sets. They're just not foiled. So if you needed more bill due, payday, that kind of thing, you have it. But like I said, I didn't realize this one came with it. So that is that. I'm really excited. I wish there was more to the kit, like an add-on sheet or something, but this was super affordable, and I figured I can pull in other foil things should I need more. So I'm just going to get started. I have a lot of whiting out to do. I didn't kind of prep my planner like I often do. Oh no, am I out? I'm out. So I have to do a little bit of that before I can get to the planning. So I'm gonna just speed this up because this is kind of boring, and I don't really have anything like extra to talk about besides my plans for the month. Ooh, I got that on the tab. So hope you don't mind, but I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I had to go look up a couple former coworkers' birthdays because I wanted to make sure I was putting them on the right day. In my last job, we had like 7 people out of like 10 that had birthdays in September, and so all the dates were kind of fuzzy in my head. So let me walk you through this. I have bills due on the 1st and 2nd. Those are like student loans, credit card, rent. I think my Scribble Prince Co-Mystery comes out that day. I don't know when my Rose Colored Days mystery renews. I need to find that out. The 2nd is my car payment and my Pilates payment. The 11th is Glam Planner. The 12th is my friend Jennifer's birthday. The 15th is my car insurance. The 16th is my former coworker, Alexa. I should just say my friend Alexa, but you know, like when you have an association with somebody, sometimes you just like always associate them that way. The 17th is Simply Gilded. Finance for doing like budgeting and stuff before my payday on the 20th. The 21st is Hulu. 23rd is my former boss, Hallie. And then that's also Autumn Begins. The 25th is my friend Missy, one of my absolute best friends from growing up. 28th is my sprint in Amazon, and the 29th is Tamara's birthday. So we have a lot going on this month, and this is, like when I was putting this all down, I realized we don't have, this is what I'm missing in this kit. Besides extra holidays, like I really wish I had one of these that said Autumn Begins, and not just a Labor Day one. I mean, it's just so beautiful. Like I want an add-on sheet. So I might message her and ask her if she can do add-ons for full boxes and other holidays, because like this, like I never have just the black text. I'm like, what am I gonna do? So it's a little strange. I'm also not used to putting like birthdays just as a script and not like putting everything in a box, but you only get this many boxes and I have a bunch of other stuff to mark. So I don't know. I think I'm going to use this for Autumn Begins though. And I'm going to write it in there just because it's too pretty. And I'm going to write it now because otherwise I'm going to forget. So Autumn Begins. Okay. At least I have something there. All right, now I need to mark school things that are happening this month. So on the 18th, we have a night of parent-teacher conferences. And then on the 20th, it's like a full day professional development. So this is like we're not going to school. Well, we'll be at school for part of that day, but it's like a district-wide PD. So I don't know, like our district is gigantic. I don't even know. I feel like I have conference stickers, but I don't know if I have anything in rose gold. So let's see if I have anything. I have report cards, school. I have pink stuff too. Pink wouldn't be bad. Let's see. Last day, final exams, no school. Data day, no school. Ooh, quarter conferences. Yeah, let's just do that. It's going to look a little funny because it goes out of the box, but all right. And then I think I'll take a no school for Labor Day because I don't really have anything else I need to mark that day, since the bills are just the little buildy script is real small, so that's fine. I'm going to put report cards. I wonder what day our grades are actually due. I'm going to put it on the 17th. Over in this corner. I'm not quite sure what day our report cards, like when our grades are actually due. Okay. So let's put these back. Let's see what else. So I think I'm going to use these for Pilates when I know my schedule. I know I have Pilates scheduled on the 1st, so I'm going to stick that in here. And then I have Pilates scheduled for the 5th. But other than that, I don't have Pilates scheduled yet because my bill, like I can't schedule them until my bill goes through this day. These are left over from August, so I was able to put those in. But for the rest of the month, I have to wait until my Pilates payment goes through. Let's see. What else? Oh, I was like, where's my sticky note that I was going to mark things? So we have conferences, no school, professional development day. Oh, maybe that was it. I'll probably have meetings every day. I don't know. I have meetings that jump around, but I'm not sure that I'm going to mark those here because they're not like, I don't know. They're like standing meetings, so it's better for me to have them on my weekly. Okay. Is that all I need to mark? I feel like I'm missing things and it's a little uncomfortable. But what I'm going to do now is write in birthdays. So this is Jenny, bill due, payday bill due. This is Missy. This is Hallie. This is Alexa. This is Tamara. Autumn begins, Grandparents' Day. And then my bills, so this is Geico. This is Pilates and Car. Simply Gilded, Glam Planner. Payday bill due. This is Hulu. This is Sprint. And Amazon. I don't know if I'm going to write all of these. This is going to be rent, loans, etc. Scribble Prince Co., that kind of thing. Like I said, I need to figure out when my Rose Colored Days sub renews. And I think that's it. Oh, over on the sidebar, I put the bills that are not like pre-scheduled during the month. And then I put my Instagram and YouTube goals for the next month. I feel like she spells her name with a Y. I don't know. That looks really funny to me. I call her Jen most of the time, so I guess I don't know really why I wrote Jenny. Maybe I'll just write Jen. Okay. I feel better about that now. I'm like, that just looks funny. But I have a bunch of students named Jenny, so I don't know. You guys, my brain is shut off. Okay, so anyways, bills here. And I'm really excited because, let's see. Can I go all the way back here? So, I paid off my care credit and my Smile Generation. Both of those were for dental work that I had to have done. And I've paid both of those off. I've paid off my Best Buy credit card, and then I've been making extra payments on most of my other things. So we're getting there. So like here, I wrote Smile Generation paid, Best Buy paid, and this month I paid off my care credit, I believe. I don't know. So I have 3 completely paid off. So I need to add in what is not paid off yet. So that's exciting. But we're making progress. I'm getting close on a bunch. And if you are younger and watching, or even older and watching, don't get into credit card debt. I know everybody tells you that, but like seriously, it's like you're drowning constantly. So I'm doing really well, you guys, right now. Like I have no stress right now from financial stuff, and it's amazing. Okay. Is that all I have? It feels so naked. It's just weird. I don't have any more medical debt. I've got all of that paid off. Oh, I should mark on August. I bought the kid planner for my niece, paid my renter's insurance. I still need to schedule dentist and doctor appointments. I just edited my budget planner. I was going to buy a new budget planner, and then I figured I could reuse my last one that I didn't really use, and I'm actually using it now. Oh my gosh, like I'm going to have a whole box that doesn't have bills in it. That is wild. I feel like I'm missing something. What's on this one? Because my renter's insurance isn't due. I don't have these medical things anymore. My loans, I mean, that's already on my bill due thing. Oh my gosh, that is wild to me, you guys. Okay, so yeah, so these are, or this is my spread for the month. I think it's really beautiful. I will probably put washi here, but I'm not going to do that on camera because I have no idea what washi will match or what I want to do with that section. It actually looks fairly clean. Like, I don't hate it, but in general, I prefer the dates to be covered. So I don't know, but I don't want to have like 2 rows of bows. I feel like that would be too much. So I don't know, but I am going to message her and see if she can make an add-on sheet with like more foiled holidays and the boxes that are not in the month. So I do have a couple labels left, which is really exciting because whatever else pops up, then I have something to mark it with. And then, like I said, I'll use the little Glam Planner like Fitbit watch kind of things to mark my Pilates for the month, just because then I can use those up and be done with them. So this is it. I think it is super beautiful. That beautiful foil with the little like leaves and everything. Let me know what you guys used for the month of September, and then I will link Sweet Bella XOXO down below. Also, let me know if you want me to do a budget like update video, what I'm doing differently, how I'm keeping track of things now. So yeah, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.